Hey everyone, what's up? It's me Nick, and today I'm going to be unboxing my first Ninjago villain set, which is new content for my channel. I'm basically just trying out new things at this point, so please bear with me. But be assured that there will be a follow-up content on my channel, but mainly videos that I would want to talk about, such as this one. Lately, I've been reconnecting with my childhood during my free time, and I must say, after 9 years of no longer caring about this, my love for Lego and Ninjago, for that matter, has officially reignited. Taking a quick look at the box, it comes with typical standard Lego stuff you'd get from a Lego set. It shows a picture of Grimtak and the other minifigures it comes with, such as Kai, Zilvar, and Nia. Taking a closer look at the set we have, it comes with 4 bags, a manual, and of course, some stickers. Moving on to the exciting part, we have bag 1, which I totally skipped the time-lapse video for, but we do get Zilvar, and I must say he uses the same head shape as Lord Raz with just different printing, and that is fine since he looks dope, but he does come with that new Lego piece around his waist, which is a handle for his second sword, and I think that's a great addition, especially for everything else you're getting from this set. Alright, moving on to bag number 2, my first impressions with building this set is how smooth the building process was. I enjoyed putting everything together, all the pieces, especially this new head, since they did incorporate a weird building process or building technique in showing the eyes of Grimtak. Instead of simply using a generic singular mold, they used 2 separate pieces, and the way the mouth opened looks so cool. And this is how the first 2 bag looks like. It looks really awesome, and now we have to build the legs. Alright, so setting that aside, we have bag number 3, and finally we get our second minifigure, which is Kai. But we'll set him aside first and watch this sped up version of the building the Legos. So far, it looks good, and I like how sturdy it is, but I am worried about its maneuverability since it is kind of rigid. Moving forward with bag number 4, the final bag is the pair of Grimtak's front legs, and of course the queen, the goat, Nia Smith, who is Kai's younger sister. Taking a closer look at her, she looks the same as the older versions of her minifigure, but a lot more simple with her torso and overall design. Nonetheless, she still looks great, and I still like her. Okay, so now that we're done with the building process, I will say my first impressions and final thoughts about this set. First and foremost, Grimtak looks amazing. I really love the horns, the colors, and everything else about him and Zilvar. He gets this really cute flag which represents, I don't know, one of his tribes in his realm. Take note, this is one of those rare occasions where Lego puts out new characters who haven't even been introduced yet in the show, because at the time of this recording, these 2 characters will be introduced at Season 4 Part 2 of Dragon's Rising, and I am excited about that. As for Zilvar, he gets a space where he can hop on Grimtak, and I for one am a big fan of the placement of Zilvar, which is a really fantastic sight to see. Okay, so moving on with Draconis Form Kai. Draconis Form Kai is amazing. This is my first minifigure with the Draconis Form, and so far I am in love with it despite not being 100% accurate to the show's colors. Because if you don't know, the tip of his tail should be gold, but Lego for some reason decided not to paint it solid red, and you know, it still looks fine. It still looks great. It's just a slight nitpick of mine, but overall I still love the minifigure, and I think everything just works together. Overall, I'd give this set a 10 out of 10. This is a really good set, especially for the price. It is worth the price that you're paying for, and the building process was just one of the most delightful experiences I've had in building Lego. If you want to see more content like this, please do like and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if I should continue on making Lego videos, because this is the first I've made one. So yeah, I hope I see you in the next one, and stay tuned for the next couple of videos I'll be making.